Hi, babies. It was raining so hard, their window to their laying box has water on it. See, this roof overhangs this roof, and yet it's wet all the way up. We had such a gusty, windy start to the day. I didn't let them out until it died down. Morning, girls. Yes, you're out a bit later, but trust me, you wouldn't have gone out earlier. Yeah. It's a first for a good morning. Good morning there. You're looking so good with your tail coming in. Morning, Chloe. I hope your tail comes in soon. Morning, Astrid. Morning, Neo. Good morning. Good mornings. Ooh, got your tail. Ouch. Hi, Davey. We're happy to see you too. Oh, I messed that one up a lot, didn't I? There we go. And dump a bunch of it out when you hit it on the table again. Oh, I'm a mess. Girls ready? Chloe was already digging in the leaves. Wow, that's a good illustration for how windy and gusty and wet it was. Under the coop is never wet. Look, we've got a puddle in the dirt. Under the coop is always their dry space. Always has been. Oh. See the wet line there? You know, a few inches is normal, but it's wet all the way under. Hi, girls. I'm hoping Neo will start laying again soon. I was looking in the... Oh, hi, sweetheart. I haven't forgotten you. I never will. Don't worry. Oh, another jump. Yes, I was just making sure I was going to get down safely. Hi. It's because you missed it yesterday. Chloe. Get in here, Chloe. Good girl. She's on a salad diet lately, it feels like. Hi. Neo, don't go anywhere, sweetie. I know. I'm coming, Bear Bear. Good girl, Neo. Astrid's born to kick. She's a born it kicker. Try not to say the S-H-I-T word, just in case it gets me blocked. That's a question for everyone. Have you noticed how censored YouTube has gotten? Half the time when you watch a video, it's clear people are drinking, and yet the beer bottles are censored. I've seen them start to censor bikini bottoms. I miss the freedom of information acts that they used to have in place, but I get it. Some people abused it so much that we can't have nice things anymore. One of my other channels, a video that's been up for 10 plus years, got a strike on it. Heck, some of my early chicken videos, some of my earliest ones, I always have radio playing because it helps keep the predators away. I never have just music, I have radio with people talking in between songs, because it's harder for wild animals to get used to that. Whereas if it's all talking or all songs, it's a lot easier. But I've had it on before and I've gotten strikes, like 6 years later. Okay, maybe it wasn't 6 years later. I've only had the chickens, what? Wow, 4 years now. So maybe it was 3 years later. Get a strike that, could hear part of a song in it. And what was the worst part was it's actually a jingle in a commercial. Anyways, positive stuff. Girls are happy. Phoebe's going to be thrilled when she sees her wading pond is still there. She's really taken up wading in water lately. It's the most fun to kick, maybe, but she usually drinks it. And yeah, my pain is definitely... Well, my pain's not doing so good. I am, because I'm having less pain. Had a pretty good day yesterday for the most part. Was able to work part of the day. And then really should have stopped in the afternoon, but I'm too stubborn, so I kept working a bit longer. So I'm having a bit of a sore day today. But that's okay. Sorry, water droplet on the phone. Yeah. The girls seem happy, they seem healthy. I'm worried about Chloe's breast muscles being very, very small, but she's acting healthy, she's acting happy. She's just not huge into hand feeding as of late. So, hopefully things will all come back. Spying on the coop camera, I did see Neo laying in the laying box, so I'm hoping that means she's got the inkling of laying an egg again. Because it'd be really nice to get more than an egg most days of the week. I really appreciate your picking up the slack though, Chloe. Or Astrid, I'm sorry, Chloe. Astrid, you're doing really good. Means I still have some eggs. Alright. Really appreciate all the kind wishes people have been giving me and all the comments. Hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.